Hi friends, and today in this video we are going to download best Windows 7 games under 300 MB. Yes, my friends, today in this video we are going to download the best Windows 7 games under 300 MB. So we uploaded the trying out the legendary video, right? Trying out the legendary operating system in 2022. Someone commented that is Sohan Raj, can please say how to download Windows games for Windows 7 under 300 MB. So we told that video is coming this Saturday. So yup, on the request we are doing the video, guys, just for you. So please, you can comment in our videos. So yeah, if you watch our videos means you can comment and give some suggestions or ideas. Okay, so let's get started, guys. So in which website you can download best games in Windows 7 under 300 MB? So this link is in the description box. Okay, click. This is a GameTop website, so link is in the description. Click on that, you would be redirected to the website. Okay, so as you can see, this page would open and there would be 3 categories: new games, best games, popular games. In the popular games there would be higher ratings also, so according to the ratings you can download and install in your low end computer. Okay, so yeah, there are many games in this website such as Alien Shooter, Invention 2, Alien Shooter 2, Good Game Empire, like that, the small games. And if you want the best games, you can click this button and it will show you the best games for your PC. And best games is for low end PC which has 1 GB RAM, like that. And as I told you, under 300 MB games are there. Yes, so when I click on the Alien Shooter, see, I'm gonna show you the size of this. So file size is just 20 MB, that's it. Under 300 MB you would get all the games. If you won't believe me, let me show you. So let's just, okay, yeah, Invention 2, that, okay, wait, so this is 445 MB. so some games you would get some higher MB, you have to check and download. And anyways, and there are many best games also, so it is not exactly under 300 MB, but some games could be higher, like 500 MB, like that. But some games are there such as Alien Shooter, and you need to find out yourself. So yep, I hope you like this video. So if you want to give some idea, you can comment in our videos. Okay, so this link is in the description box. You can visit and download the lowest MB games. So thank you for watching this video, and please like the video. Okay, many people are watching the video, we get 40 views in a video but not 40 likes. So if you are watching the video, please like the video and share it to other people too, so that they can also get some useful information. And subscribe to our channel, guys. Majority of the people are not subscribing recently. I'm checking the analytics. So please subscribe to our channel when you watch our video and press the bell icon. It's very important, the bell icon, so that you don't miss any videos. Okay, so yeah, I see you in the next video like this one. And yeah, bye bye.